Welcome back to the checkout guide. In this tutorial, I will tell you how to offer 5% discount up to 150 capping amount when buying at least 3 items. So, if you are new to the channel, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So for this, I have used Nix capping discounts from Shopify App Store. I have also attached the link of this app in the description box. You can check it out. Once install the app, then go to the Nix discounts app. Then click on create new discount. Then you can enter the discount title as flat 5% off. And you can just enter the same discount title as the discount code. Then click on percentage and you can enter the discount 5 and capping amount 150. Discount applies to all products and you can select minimum quantity of items as 3. And you can select all customers. You can also limit it to number of times this discount can be used in total. And you can also limit to 1 use per customer. If you want to set the start date and time and end date and time, then you can select it from here. If you have already any another discount for the orders or shipping discounts or any other product discount, then you just need to select here and you just need to save your changes. So now we will test this setup on our online store. Now we will add product to the cart more than 3. For example, I'm adding this product. So already 5 products are there in the cart. Now I will try to check out. So here you can see 5% off is applied, but the capping amount is equally splits into all the products and the total discount is only 150 rupees. So for example, if I will remove any one product from the cart, then discount will not gonna apply. So the discount is not applying right now. So that's it. You have successfully set up a 5% discount up to 150 while ordering more than 3 products. So if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy selling.